Big hail. Did you see that?
I saw something fly by.
That was a big piece of hail. Like a huge chunk. Let's keep going. I don't... no hail for me.
So
Oh, it's on the ground. It's on the ground. Touchdown. Tornado on the ground. Look underneath it. Dust swirl. Tornado on the ground. Look underneath it. You see it?
Can't see it from here.
Oh, you're just at a bad angle. I see there's dirt kicking up down there.
Yeah, I see it from here now. This way.
All right, go. The hail's getting here. Just keep going down this road. Still on the ground, bit of a dust swirl on the ground still. We are just to the west of Lawton. That's Lawton right over there.